Good morning everyone. Welcome to your maths recorded class, and in this recorded class we will try to learn and understand about division, as we have completed division so far, but for recording I am just starting it today. Division is what? First let me tell you what is division. Division is nothing but the repeated subtraction of a number. Repeated subtraction means what? So, for example, it is written a doctor gives his patient 10 tablets. So, a doctor has given a patient how many tablets? 10 tablets of medicine and asks him to take 2 tablets daily. So, the doctor said to take 2 tablets daily. So, how many days will the medicine last? So, for how many days it will last? So, let us see. First day the patient takes 2 tablets. So, 10 was there. I just subtracted 2 from 10. So, how many tablets left? 8 tablets left. Second day, it was 8 tablets. Again the patient took 2 tablets. So, how much left? How many left? 6 tablets left. 6 tablets was there, and on third day the patient takes 2 tablets more. So 6 minus 2, 4 tablets left. On fourth day the patient takes 2 tablets. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And on day of fifth day the patient takes 2 tablets. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So no tablets remain. So how many days it lasts? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 tablets. Each day how many tablets the patient takes? 2. So it lasts 5 days. So division is the repeated subtraction of one number from the other. The medicine lasts for 5 days as 2 is subtracted repeatedly for 5 times. Okay, repeatedly 5 times from 10. We can also see it on the number line. So, in number line also we can see this. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We see 2 is subtracted 5 times from 10. So, we can express it as 10 divided by 2. And the answer is 5. It is said that 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, the example 2. There are 12 toffees. How many toffees are there? 12 toffees. How many children can get toffees if 4 toffees are given to each child? So, 12 toffees were there and 12 toffees are there, and if I want to give 4 toffees to each, 4 toffees, so that tell me how many each child will get how many toffees, right? So first child will get 4 toffees, so 12 minus 4 is 8. Second child 4 toffees, so 8 minus 4, 4. Third child 4 minus 4 is 0. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So like the number of the children among whom the trophies are distributed is 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 child get 4 toffees each. Now like the same way you need to understand which is dividend, what is divisor and what is quotient. So 10 divided by 2 and the answer is 5. So 10 is dividend, 2 is divisor and 5 is quotient. And you see just now whatever I told you in the exercise, it is written 21 divided by 7. If you know or if you have learned the table of 7, you can easily mark it or easily you can crack it. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So 21 divided by 7 will be 3, but I can do it as repeated subtraction. For this I am having my copy to show you all. The question is divide by repeated subtraction and find the quotient. 21 divided by 7. 21 divided 7 is 14. Again 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. 20 divided by 5, 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Or you can say it like 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So, now 30 divided by 6. What we will do? First we will we will subtract 30 minus 6, it is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 times. So, 30 divided by 6 is 5, and we know it very well that 5 6 are 30 or 6 5s are 30. Now, 36 divided by 9. 36 minus 9 is 27. It is 1 time. 27 divided by 9 is 18. Second time. 18 divided by 9 is 9. Third time. And 9 minus 9 is 0. It is fourth time. So, 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay. Now, only division. 8 divided by 2. If we learn the tables very carefully and very nicely, we will understand that tables are very much important to do the division. 2 4s are 8, means if we just calculate like this, 4 2s are 8. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Like this we can do it. 2 4s are 8. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. Right? Now we will just see it how I am doing. Yes. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Here 3 is what? Divisor. 18 is dividend and 6 is quotient and remainder is 0. Now exercise 6.2. Divide by grouping the numbers. How will you divide 9 pencils among 3 children? It's very easy, children. We will just take 9 and we will divide this 9 with 3. So 3 3s are 9. So answer will be 3. So I can divide 3 pencils. I can just divide 9 pencils to 3 children. I will just divide it and everyone will get 3 pencils each. How will you distribute 15 chocolate equally among 5 children? So 15 divided by 5 is 3. How will you divide 15 oranges equally? How will you divide 12 orange? It is not 25. 12 oranges equally among 3 children. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I need to divide this chocolate among 3 children. So 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 and answer will be 4. Answer will be 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. I need to divide these 12 oranges among 3 children. So 1, that is 1, 2, 3, one group. 1, 2, 3, another group. 1, 2, 3, another group. And 1, 2, 3, another group. So 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So I can easily divide 12 oranges among 3 children. So everyone will get 4 oranges. Means each child will get 4 oranges. Now, how will you divide 25 oranges equally among 5 children? It's very easy. 25 divided by 5. Now, one exercise is there where you need to just you have to take out the multiplication fact with the division fact. You need to write 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. Multiplication fact is there and you need to write the division fact. So, for that I have written also in my copy 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. So, with this just we will do what? We will just write 40 divided by 5 and we know the answer will be 8. Simultaneously 40 divided by 8 is 5. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 6 are 54. So, 54 divided by 9, the first one answer will be 6 and the next one 54 divided by 6, answer will be 9. 6 7 6 are 42. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 88 7s are 56. So, 56 divided by 7 is 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 10 9s are 90. 10 9s are 90. So, 90 divided by 9 is 10. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 49 divided by 7 is 7 and this is also the same thing. 49 divided by 7 is 9. 4 6 are 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 5 6 are 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 divided by 8 is 4 and 32 divided by 4 is 8. Now write 2 multiplication fact for each division fact. Now the thing is just opposite. Here division facts are there and you need to take out the multiplication fact. So for example, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So if we want to divide 18 with 3, answer will be 6. And what will be the multiplication fact? These two are multiplication fact. These are multiplication facts. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 into 6 is 18 and again 6 into 3 is 18, means 3 into 6 18. 6 into 3 is same. 63 divided by 9 is 7. So 9 into 7 is 63 and simultaneously 7 into 9 is 63. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 7 into 5 is 35 and 5 into 7 is as well 35. 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. So 4 into 8 is 32. 8 into 4 is 32 and 4 into 8 is 32. 80 divided by 10 is 8. So 8 into 10 is 80. 10 into 8 is 80. 72 divided by 8 is 9. So 9 8s is 72. 8 9s is 72. Like the same way we need to do these things. Coming to the next thing, fill in the blanks. So 6 divided by 1. 6 1s are 6. So here the answer will be 6. 9 divided by 9, it's 1. And if we divide 0 with 18 or any number, answer will be 0. 0 divided by 30 is 0. 75 divided by 75 is equal to 1. 85 divided by 1 is 85. 95 divided by 95, it's 1. And 0 divided by 95 is 0. 27 divided by 27, the answer will be 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 0 divided by 7 is 0. But remember, 8 divided by 0, it is not possible to do. So I have written not possible. 0 divided by 19 is 0. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Underline the multiplication table and divide in short form. So what you need to do? You just need to write down the tables, okay, so that you can do the division. So one I have done. 8 divided by 2 is 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 7s are 49. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 2s are means 6 into 2 is 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5 3s are 15. 6 4s are 24. So answer is 4. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 3 9s are 27 or 9 3s, the same case. And 32 divided by 4 is 8, means 8 4s are 32. 6 6 are 36. So when I divide 36 with 6, answer will be 6. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 7 into 5 is 35. Like the same way you need to calculate and do. Use a long process and divide and write dividend divisor, right, and quotient also. So you need to do what? 14 divided by 2. So 2 7s are 14. You see, I have written divisor, dividend, quotient, and this is a remainder. So remainder is not written, so I have not written, but make sure, and you just for your knowledge I am saying the last one, whatever will be last, that will be remainder. So here divisor is what? Here divisor is 2. Here divisor is 2. Dividend is 14 and quotient is 7. Here 18, 3 divided by 18. So the 6 is, here 6 is quotient, 3 is divisor, 18 is dividend. 20 divided by 4. So divisor is 4, dividend is 20, quotient is 5. 30 divided by 5. 5 is divisor, dividend is 30 and quotient is 6, because 6 5s are 30. Like the same way you need to do. And here you need to write only the quotient. 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6. So 6 5s are 30. Here quotient is 5. 48 divided by 8. So the answer is 6. Quotient is 6 because 8 6 are 48. 12 divided by 3. Answer is 4. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Quotient is 4. 25 divided by 5. The quotient is 5. So 5 5s are 25. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. Like the same way you need to do. Now the next one. 56 toffees are equally distributed among 7 children. So how many toffees will each child get? Now it's a question that if 56 toffees are there, do you like to eat toffees? Do you like? Yes, I also like it very much. So 56 divided by 8. Sorry, 56 divided by 7. So 7 8s are 56. Each child will get 8 toffees. Rekha bought 24 sweets. So Rekha bought how many sweets? 24. She distributed all sweets equally among her 3 friends. How many sweets did she give to each? So how many like her friend, each of her friend get how many sweets? Now we will do that. 24 divided by 3. So 3 8s are 24. She gave 8 sweets to each. Oh my god. If a milk container contains a milk bottle, 9 milk bottles, how many containers are required to contain 72 milk bottles? So 72 divided by 9. So 9 8s are 72. So 8 bottles are required to contain 72 milk bottles. Right? The next question. A week has 7 days. So a week has how many days? A week has 7 days. How many weeks are there for 28 days? There is a question. Very easy. 28 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. So there are 4 weeks for 28 days. A fruit seller packed 90 apples in 9 packets. How many apples are there in 1 packet? So 90 divided by 9 is 10. So there are 10 apples in 1 packet. If 56 beds are equally distributed among 4 girls, how many beds will each one get? 56 divided by 4. So here simple thing is that 4 ones are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and 6 will be I will take 6 from here. So 4 fours are 16. So 56 divided by 4 is 14. Each girl will get 14 beads, right? Now the last one, that is, if 3 children can sit on a bench, how many benches are required for 27 children? 27 divided by 3. So here the answer will be 9. 9 benches are required for 27 children. So here this is the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the quotient, and remainder is 0. I hope you have understood, children. Make sure to practice this each and every day. The more you practice, the more you will learn. Okay children, this was for the day. I hope you have understood. Bye bye.